The Touareg comes as four-wheel drive system. It has an automatic progressively locking center differential, with manual override, and a low range setting that can be activated within cabin controls. The Touareg featured an optional four-wheel active air suspension, which can raise the ride height on command, and a locking rear differential to increase off-road capability. A rare option was a front-locking differential. Its load-level ground clearance is at 6.3 in, 160 mm, off-road level is at 9.6 in, 244 mm, and extra clearance of 11.8 in, 300 mm. The 6.0-liter double overhead camshaft, DOHC, 48-valve W12 engine version was initially intended to be a limited edition model, with just 500 units planned to be produced. Around 330 were slated for sale in Saudi Arabia, with the remainder sold in Europe. Some of those W12 Touaregs were sold in China, but the number of sold is unknown. No sales in the United States were made. Eventually, the W12 model became an ordinary model without any production restrictions. It is estimated to reach 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in 5.9 seconds.